Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You want flavor fast. Cut 500 g boneless chicken thighs into 2-3 cm pieces so heat penetrates evenly. Mix 2 tablespoons soy, 1 tablespoon sake, 1 tsp grated ginger, and a pinch of salt. Pour over chicken and rub thoroughly so every piece is coated. Once done, place the bowl in the fridge for 15-30 minutes. This short soak seasons without breaking down texture. Make sure to pat pieces dry briefly before dredging to get a crisp crust later. Now you set up for crispness. Combine equal parts all-purpose flour and potato starch for a light, crunchy coating. Toss each damp piece so it has an even film but not a clump. Heat oil to 170-175 degrees and use a thermometer so temperature stays steady. This prevents greasy, undercooked centers. Once the oil is ready, fry in small batches so pieces have space. Cook about 4-5 minutes per batch until a deep golden color and internal juices run clear. Finish strong, transfer fried pieces to a wire rack over a tray to drain and rest for about 2 minutes so steam doesn't soften the crust. Serve immediately with a lemon wedge and shredded cabbage or a dollop of mayo to balance richness. If your Karaage turns soggy, make sure oil temperature was steady. Once cooled, reheat by double frying at 190 degrees for 1 to 2 minutes to recrisp. If flavors feel flat, add a pinch more salt or a squeeze of lemon right before eating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.